the lancers, we are against the lancers because we are not the only people doing delivery. One example, you give me something to go and give to car for you to send to Kofodia. When you go there, a driver will be on scale. I'll just have to take the driver's car number and then telephone number and then give him the gift, so that I will send the details to and then the package to the recipient at Kofodia. Is the commission compelling those drivers to have license? When was the last time anybody ever heard in Ghana that the commission has gone to lorry station demanding that drivers, commercial drivers, to take courier license? I have never heard so before. So we are against the courier license. We are against the minister's directive. Thank you.
About the police harassing the riders. Yes. Here is a country where there is no job for the youth. The riders, we the youth here, we've decided to work with our motorbikes, risk our lives. We are getting hit. Cars are hitting us. Many riders are dying each and every day. We don't have jobs, so this is the only source of living for most of us.
So as it stands now, you are being harassed by the police.
Police will stop you.
How much do they usually take from you?
Police will stop you. What is the issue? Nothing. They are taking the motorbike to the station. When you get to the station, they will lock their bikes and say, if you are ready, come inside and talk. You go inside, they'll be taking 200 cities, 500 cities. For what reason? I have my license, I have my roadworthy, I have my insurance. I have my document.
Every document. Even your helmet. Even your helmet.
Yes, I have my helmet. Everything is here. Why are you arresting my bike?
After 17 minutes, they will not mind you. They will say 500 cities before they release your bike.
How can I be right on the daytime and ask me for a reflector?
3 days today, I was caught. I went to the DVLA to get the bike registered, and I was heading home. And this policeman stopped me, and he asked me where my plate is. And I told him the bike is a new bike. I bought it 2 weeks ago. And they said unless 4 months, but if I want it express, unless I go to DVLA, pay an amount, and then the bike can be registered for me. I went there, paid the money, and I was riding home. This police officer stopped me, and I was explaining to him where I am coming from. He said once I'm not having a plate, there is no way I should use the bike on the road. So I wanted to ask him, how about the DV cars? How about the DV cars that are on the road? They've not been registered. They're having no insurance. They're having no roadworthy. But when you ask them and they provide the papers for you, you allow them to go. So why did you caught me? You asked me my documents. I have submitted it to you, my license, my motor papers. So why didn't you allow me to go? But they took me to the office, and then I paid 200 cedis before the bike was released for me yesterday.
Do you have your plates now?
It's not registered.
Right.
Arise, Ghana youth, for your country. The nation demands your devotion. Let us all unite to uphold and make them great and strong. We are all involved. We are all involved. We are all
me question there every break. Monday no so I say me go koye aduma na me do labadi no police for jam o match me almost match me and then because say okay me on road insurance license it say police ni chime dia me nti a watch me police ni chime first of all you me phone if me hold them and then because I tell you me phone if me hold them ana I know say o match me it's your office so watch me your office your credit office or see your office and I'm dinner and they call I'm say or match me and I'm say watch me gentle watch me they say about say if you head office say I'm your operation that day I'm your operation I know you your friend say I don't know I'm for say information on my son and I'm saying I'm go school to I'm not go school to can also can and yes I bet around 7 or no much me I'm did demand I'm say I say me 500 cities and I'm me 500 cities me gentle watch me they watch me no can't tell me I want to me can say if you head office if you IGP to here sa operation then what can say break okay and it's how them policeman be no friend policeman buy oba no make kan ya also me jam around 7 no much me and probably 6 to 7 no much me before me jam na about 12 so much be 300 cities before me jam all about the police station. And if you say your friend saying motor no and probably say me remember na my Jimmy 3 days.
Test no traffic light no na me Jimmy motor. I don't see me come papers ni ga. Me ko boche na me ko papers ni na ba. Me ko papers ni na ba no. Oma cash oma free me for I don't see Monday yembra. Monday esako no. Mami no akasa yen ho. Ya jiri ati na outside but 6. And I'll catch a police in or probably in our free home. And I'm a bit more to 500 no my mobile. Moto. I saw Jacka. My gym moto because my 70 papers, I license road ready, be my 70 midama mobile still or release moto now, man.
Me road work here to my insurance, no my license. Watching me all because of some insurance reflector. Daytime, my insurance reflector, edging me 200 cities. My insurance reflector. The most annoying thing is obey 2 phone and obey 2 motor kilo 2 key without your permission.
Why? Because of cases of more recording say if you motorbikes cases of my recording or more officer. So say more recording cases say if you bikes are nipa na order the bikes na ba say the bike are so them the chassis number now or motor papers number. Some more chichi bikes are muchi bike now or the papers are bro. Check the chassis number no. Say machine there now what the motor who the amano. But munye way Muchi obi na mu ka se nipa ni ko fa ni papers mbra obekọ fie na akọ fa ni papers aba obekọ fa ni papers mbra no o se on sentia ansa na ya se release o bike ama extortion adults
the police for the say omunko basis oho no bo say oma gada wo area wo ko normal ju sika oma ju fo ma ju oho na ese omoko enyenye juma ya pay anu aduan a time will come police yeni police be gina ho atoto date ne police be gina no na kasa to phone ni wa tu se me wa kuma na se me police na me tu ni obet me se me police right is it right say police be uniform is it right say police be is it right government no omo check no omo check police o me pa mo na o pa mo
akwa ban wa na akwa ban because uni obe 2k 2 phone o can so bo 500 to 2000 ni na o bo na awaye Ube odo license beba bibia beba obi o say dey be sand be ko office o dey chain abokin ban wa na enko aban
dansoma flamingo ho udu ho a police no ba ya no wa be tu wa be use phone no wa tu key o si fi so o ne kwa ko ha no wa be tena o motor so as parking straight to Sukura police station.
Yeah, Sukura that be what
I don't anti-call pe ukodu Sukura police station pe 200 cities. Me ya lucky me do hona madam for be a police and me hu na me ne kasa no o ka chem say still I was say me tua bi and o okopa acha no and o mo je me 100 cities and no try no but ni je 1.5
I think say
I cities from
they know that what they are doing is wrong into two man with some person disconnected one man with some person who disconnected say you right at it someone disconnected straight no person me police I am started na me kura see say me this man woni pam say you right at it no ndi no ni
one use with a different police officer. Our more backing no. Our internal saboteurs if we are mabo mudini, a can be. And on my say, such a charges and I hear the same back on the McCoy, and also ye are no. Less than 15 minutes. Nanyo been about to me bro for a mammy. Less than 15 minutes na brofo asuo paper na so fine me dia ma omo se ya ma unko obi ane asese me call hospital 12 noon na se maduru hospital ho because complications ya menya ye bra me free remand ba ko ba ye na me guso ye den ehwe ase ye be free me say ye ma o call hospital obewu ha wu nti omo detain me anopana 9 ebesi anyumre 5:30 p.m. and sana ye ma me bail of 1 million Ghana cedis entiatiefo mo amote ye say ya tsena ti abronye ya tsena ti enokore ya cheme bad kwadu no mo de bo me ni nyina no ene ba ko no nyina difference bi anim enti mo hu counter propaganda bia a free social media from Canada, Japan camp. Nen crop for a WhatsApp platform so kasa nye nokre da say omati abronya omunim ni omaye enti omudi kana ba bekaso ni amu ni social media na ye live phone ye nti abronya bia no omunim ni omaye enne ne nkrofo no mo osi adi ho but omudi kane aba bekasa enye nokoreda nyame ncha de ya mami bail obi a ye nchi ne se de Canada Japan nkrofo pese MPP fo hunu ya mami bail omo mbe sign bail no ana me bo omudin ba ko de ya agesa akode ana Moses Aboya MPP former regional youth organizer Greater Accra omunyina bae ana former security operations o Jubilee House boyo omunyina bae ntino mo pese mo hu nokore na nane apiem say yes and police sanche me as say nkwa bail condition na o police fo no na machinations ya ekoso enintino nti me bisa omo say court kora ma bail no ma sen but police fo ma be omo say 1 million Ghana cedis bail nti yenya surety fo a wo ma yeren asensa we will take it from there but ye manen so wa na obi aso ntimi nyeren enka obia num tun wo kroma se mo obia nka na adwene ye bekan ya adwene ne ye kɔ da bia so ye beba ho me mamwate ase se se mo de chie ene bedum ye mu binum ja ane amomom forget eno nti na ne me duru police station no CID investigator ne ba be bisa me say unum dotwa na wo shiwi na me se me shi bonto na me shi emumu bia